So on one part of this rack, I didn't know would be going on about this is this piece right here that fits here and hooks to the bottom. It's way too long, so they made notches on this so you could either cut it, and I didn't know when I bought this that I would have to cut it. Fortunately for me, part of my front fender has a saw blade, as can be seen right there. So I took one side off, and what do you know? So now we got two short pieces. So it's a pretty nifty setup they have for installing this rack. Probably bring it in just a tad bit here. What we're looking for is just wherever it comes level, and that's pretty close to level right there. So yeah, I really like this this style setup for a bike rack. This is very well made. I usually have trouble, at least with the old rack, I had a lot of trouble with it bending because it was just really flimsy. And this rack is quite a bit better built. So I'm pretty happy. If we look at the overview here, there's what we're working with. That's actually maybe a little bit out. Somewhere in here. Take the other one here. they were nice enough to put thread locker on these, which is a great thing. Closer look at that bolt right there. Now, putting thread locker is a great thing. These bolts are longer than they need to be. I know I could cut a little bit of weight by shaving them, but right now I don't want to try to hacksaw through and sand down and polish a bolt. Just not quite worth it right now. If I had a grinder, I might. Here's the back setup on this. Looks to be sitting off. Maybe just a little bit. I'm going to even these